I for one, kuan jud siya kanang I really hate my son to be with the SPA. Kay SSB na ako siya gi-enroll. And then it's because I'm working here, dili na ako makita ang akong anak. That when I go back to our place, nag-recital na day siya. I really hate him to be in SPA because I want him to be an engineer. But then he's really into arts. And then I once talked with the principal during that time. The principal was Ma'am Sakin. So I asked her to let my son be back sa science curriculum. But then he told me, Ma'am, why don't you give a chance to your son to explore his world? It's not just because he is into science curriculum, and then you want him to be an engineer, and then into the performing arts, dili niya ma-fulfill ang iyahang dream to be an engineer, which wala na ba jud karon, no? Kay pag na-indulge naman siya. Now for the specialization, most of the parents will say, dili na ko i-enroll akong anak, wala siya klase-klase ang space, sige lang ka-practice. We only have 2 hours for the specialization. Now, we have to take note of that. We have academic subjects in the morning and 1 hour in the afternoon. So, dili siya actually is arts lang din siya tanan. It's because, so, napa siya academic ihapon. Only that, the same with the other curriculum, like sa science curriculum, your specialization have 2 hours now for the specialization. That's also same thing with the special program in the arts. Now, my other son, my son graduated, katong first born son ako, media arts siya, nag-graduate siya i-become. So, murag na wala akong dream of him to become an engineer. Now, my second son, also an SPA media arts, is into architecture now. The arts, into the recent, yung background for arts help him a lot in his architecture na nasukuan. It's because dili na like karon is nagakuan sila Twitter manilahang kanang AutoCAD. So since media arts siya, dali ra sa iya pag-perform sa AutoCAD. So nag-uno-uno ra gyapon iyang grado. Design pag-ikan siya kon ano na anak ko senior high school day kay dili siya dingon pag pag-diri ko kay because his kuan siya kanang ang SPA man good when you ang senior high school dayon will be offering arts and design. So arts and design akong anak sa senior high school pag enroll niya sa Lasan architecture siya although nag-bridging siya. Siya bridging na hitabo ron. Pero his background for the arts really have helped him for his architect na subject karon. AutoCAD na subject and the rest of that. And then one factor pa jud is that baga manggugnaon pag naa ka sa SPA. No, so dili siya maulaw karon. Na siya in fact pag abot niya og Lasal, na siya sa tingog, na siya sa kuan, so nakatabang somehow iyang kuan, iyang background sa SPA. Dili siya hinder.
So last question.